जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 4th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, you have to start performing all the duties which are prescribed by Vedas. Only then you will get Jnana Nishtha. Whatever the duties that you have already started, you should never give up. Only then you will get Jnana Nishtha." That means if you perform the duties which are given by Vedas, that will remove all kind of sins. Once the sins are washed off, your manas will be pure. Then the Atma Jnanam will be stable in your manas. Only then Dhyanam will be very stable in your manas. That means you will be able to continue Jnana Yogam. So, to attain that Jnana Nishtha, your manas needs to be pure. To attain that purity in your manas, all the sins needs to be washed off. To get all the sins washed off, we have to perform duties. Those duties must be authorized by Vedas. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us a process for all of us to attain Jnana Nishtha, and also Krishna Paramatma emphasizing without performing duties you cannot attain Jnana Nishtha. It has to be through Karma Yogam you will get to Jnana Yogam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Na karmanam anarambhat naishkarmyam purushosnute na cha sanyasanadeva siddhim samadhigacchati. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita from 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep on remembering my teachings every day through at least one sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties to impress you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least one sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi disclosing Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshin Narendra reached Ganga, the banks of Ganga river, and kept himself in meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. He is doing Sri Krishna Dhyanam. Then to visit Parikshin Narendra, such a great devotee, there are so many rishis, munis, along with their disciples coming to that banks of Ganga river. Swayam hi tirthani punanti santaha. All the great devotees, munis and rishis, they are Mahapurushas. Only by their arrival, even Tirthayatras, the greatest divine places, gets purified. To that extent, those rishis are great. Such great rishis, Mahanubhava, Munayaha, Sashishyaha, they all coming to Parikshin Narendra along with their disciples. So what they do usually, all the rishis and munis, under the excuse that they want to visit all the divine places, in fact they go there to purify those places. To that extent they are great. O Maharshis, now the rishis that they came to Parikshin Narendra are Atri Maharshi, Vasishtha Maharshi, Chyavana, Saradvanta, Arishtanemi, Bhrugu, Angirasa, Dvaipayana, Parasara, Visvamitra, Parasurama, Agastya, Narada, all these great Devarshis, Brahmarshis came to visit Parikshin Narendra. When Parikshin Narendra has seen all of them, Abhyarchya Sirasava Vande, Parikshin Narendra touched all of their feet and did namaskaram and offered all of them to sit very peacefully. Then Manujendrudumrokki Harshasrutatul Krammaga Mukulita Karudai, that Parikshin Narendra with folding hands, with so much of humbleness, standing right in front of all those Maharshis and disclosing whatever was running in his thoughts, and also saying that Aho vayam dhanyatama nrupanam. O Maharshis, there are so many kings blessed by all of you. Out of all those kings, I am more and more fortunate to get to see all of you at once here. But, O Maharshis, you all usually bless those who are deserved to be blessed. Here, I did not do an act that which can please all of you. I have done something wrong. Like that, Parikshit Narendra is about to share what he has committed to that Muni, Semika Muni, that Papam he is about to share to all these Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Chintayami Harimeva Santatam Manda Manda Hasitananambujam Nandagopatanayam Paratparam Naradadi Munibrindavanditam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 4th sloka. Na karmanam anarambhat naishkarmyam purushosnute nacha sanyasanadeva siddhim samadhigacchati. Na karmana manarambhat naishkarmyam purushosnute nacha sanyasanadeva siddhim samadhigacchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.